I'm Ann Butler. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute, adorable snowman from a clay pot and a few other items. First off, you're going to take a clay pot, a foam brush, and some Snow White paint and paint the inside and the outside of your clay pot. Next, you're going to take 2 pieces of chenille stem about 4 inches long, twist them together, and we're going to adhere it to the clay pot. Then you're going to take 2 glittered pom poms and place one on each side of your chenille stems. Isn't that adorable? Next, you're going to take and just snip off a corner of a foam craft sheet in orange, and we're going to adhere that to the center front of the clay pot for the nose. Add just a fine line of hot glue on the very tip of the nose and sprinkle that with glitter. So there's just a little bit of snow on his nose. You can add it in other places if you want to give it a little bit of a more snowy effect. Next, we're going to add the eyes. So I have 2 wiggle eyes, and I'm just going to add a little hot glue to the back and place one eye down and then the other eye. I'm just going to take a Sharpie, or you can take black paint to do some eyebrows, and you're just going to do a couple angles like that, and then you're going to draw a mouth. And for the mouth, start at one side and just kind of make it squiggly. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take some pink polish paint. I shook it up already. I'm going to take a Q-tip, dip it in that paint, and then I'm just going to pounce on either side of the mouth to give the snowman some rosy cheeks. Now, he's simply adorable just like this, but I'm going to add a green ribbon down at the bottom, and I'm just going to add a drop of glue, and I took the nozzle and kind of flattened it so it wouldn't be bumpy, and I'm just going to wrap the ribbon around. I'm going to take another little piece of glue right there just to tack it in place so it doesn't fall down, and I'm going to trim that ribbon and add another little bit of glue, again flattening it with the nozzle because you don't want the ribbon to be bumpy. And you can leave it just like that, but you can also take a button and some DMC floss, thread your button like this, and then attach that right to the center front. And there you have it, an adorable little snowman.